Hi everyone, this is Ms. Hess and I'm going to go over the setup for the resistors in series and parallel lab. Here's your lab report. You're going to get two sets of data, one for a circuit in series and the other one for a circuit in parallel. And the first one I'm going to go over is a circuit in series, and here is your lab, and we're going to need to set up a circuit, and it gives us the instructions here of one that includes a battery, a switch, one resistor, and one light bulb in series. So we are going to go ahead and pull out a resistor and a light bulb and a switch and a battery, and then what we need to go through is go through and connect all of these. Now when I connect them, I like to start from the ones that are furthest away, because as you see they'll start hooking onto each other. And I just wanted to show you this. One of the things that you're going to need to take the measurement of is the ammeter, and they have those right here. You can actually add one into your circuit if you would like, but I will show you a way I like to do it better. So this is your circuit setup. Closing your switch, you can see it brings up the current. You can open up your switch, but there's another one right here, and this one I actually like better because this one you can just move around. So it's not actually connected to anyone, but it's giving you the same readings. The other thing you're going to need is your voltmeter, and it's going to ask you to first close the switch and then measure the current and potential across the resistor. Our resistor is up here, so we're going to connect our wires to either side of the resistor. And it also wants us to check the current. So the current on either side is 0.45 amps. And we can see that the voltage is negative 4.5. Then it's going to ask you to get the difference across the light bulb, and you can open up the circuit if you'd like before you move it, but it doesn't really make a difference whether you do that or not. You're going to close the circuit, take your readings on either side, and find your voltage. You're going to put these all into your chart. Now for the next one, the one in the series and parallel, we can actually, let's clear out this. So we can reset everything. We're going to build one in parallel now. So we're going to add our two resistors. You're going to want the same things. You're going to want a light bulb, a switch, and a power source. And this one's going to be just a little bit trickier because we've got to get these in parallel. So I'm going to add a wire to each one of these. And I can actually just leave that right there. And I can leave this one right here. Connect this one. As you see, these things catch, so it takes a little bit of time to get them all put together. And then to get it in, let's see if we can get it. Through. There we go. It connected on the wrong side. This is the part I dislike about this lab. Okay, let's get these put up here so I can transfer another wire. I just want to connect on everything. There we go. Alright, and we're going to connect that one right there. I'm trying to make it look nice and pretty. Connect this one right here, and now we have our series in parallel. You're going to go ahead, close your circuit. You're going to take your same readings as you did before. You can go ahead and move your currents. Get your current readings, and you're going to get your current readings over here on your light bulb. And so as you can see, that's essentially how you set up both of your series and your parallel circuits. And if you've got any questions, you know how to contact me.